rain is moving out of here, and that's good news. And actually, we have a drier weekend on tap, and it looks like tomorrow a little cooler than average, but Sunday is looking pretty nice. And as we take a look at those rain totals, it's not really hard to see why we've had flooding issues just northeast of the city and just southeast of the city. You can see a little swath of rain anywhere from around 1 inch to almost 1 3/4 out through parts of Pike County on into Vinton County, even into Athens County, and then a little bit as well out just northeast of us, out towards Zanesville, out towards Coshocton, a little more than 2 inches in Tuscarawas County. So you can see that we have been dealing with some of that rain here in central Ohio, just around 1/2 inch, not a ton out there, but still we are looking at those flash flood and those flood advisories, I should say, those flood advisories in Tuscarawas County as well as Guernsey County, this until 1:45 a.m. And we have flood warnings as well. These are in Athens, Jackson, Morgan, Vinton, and even into Meigs County. So we are looking at that continued flood threat, but those waters are receding, and that's because we can see here on your Doppler 10 radar, the worst of the rain moving out of here. We still have a little bit of leftover shower activity here and there, but again, the heaviest rain is pulling out of here. Let's talk about that current temperature. We are down to 46. A little chilly right now. It feels like it's 41 though, with that northwesterly wind coming in at 12 miles an hour. And when you step out the door tomorrow morning, if you're going to go grab some coffee, maybe you're going to run out and get the paper, you want to run the dog around the block, something like that, the bottom line is it's going to be cold. This is what it will feel like with the winds tomorrow at 9 a.m. Feeling like we are around the upper 20s and low 30s in Kenton, Marysville, Delaware. Feels like 33 tomorrow morning in Columbus, and it feels like we are in the mid to upper 30s out in Logan, MacArthur, and Athens. So definitely a chilly start to the day. But we are drying out over the weekend. That's good news. A chilly start to your day tomorrow morning. Heading on into the afternoon, it's going to be gloomy much of the day on Saturday, but we start to get a little sunshine by day's end. Looks like Sunday, though, will be the pick day of the weekend because temperatures, again, get back into the low 60s in Columbus, and it looks like we have a little more sunshine. So we keep those clouds around as we head through the overnight hours. Could see a little spotty fog here or there, especially if you had some of that heavier rain and your winds die off enough. But you can see, though, clouds to start. We keep some clouds around at lunchtime. Those start to break up, though, as we head through the afternoon. And then through the evening hours, we should clear out. But that'll set us up for a very chilly start to the day on Sunday. We're talking about low Sunday morning in the mid-30s. Tonight, though, we're on our way down to 40 degrees here in Columbus. Looks like it's going to be much cooler as that rain moves out of here. And then as we head on into your Sunday, temperatures will climb back up to 61. So again, nice and mild on Sunday with some sunshine. Chance for more showers and a few storms as we head on into Monday. And I do want to point something out real fast for all of you baseball fans out there. We are looking at opening day down in Cincinnati on Monday. Chance for a couple of storms that way, though. As we head on through the rest of that 10-day forecast, you can see a slight warm up before things start to cool back down into the low 50s by the end of the work week next week with some rain.